What's going on, guys? I just wanted to show you a little shelf system I made in my bed. I just got a camper shell or a topper, I don't know, everyone calls it something different. I got a 2012 GMC Canyon stock. I just cranked the torsion bars slightly, about 3/4 inch, some Method Race wheels, Falcon Wild Peak tires. So let me show you this. Throw some Christmas lights, because why not? But it's nothing crazy. I just have about three, I don't know if you can see up there. I got 3 2x4s going across, and they're sitting on the wheel wells. The bed liner has cutouts for 2x4, so. And then I just put some carpet on here, because I usually put my surfboards or snowboards under there, or vice versa, and my clothes on top. Just makes it a little easier to get a bunch of stuff in here. I carpeted the top myself. Don't look too great, but from here it's alright. Christmas lights just for fun, but it's pretty easy. It honestly only cost me about $50, and I'm happy with it. So if you've got any questions, let me know. Thanks.